Welcome everyone, we are live, so let's get right to it. The market is a bit right for crypto. If we go here, we have things going on with some stocks that we're going to talk about. And first off, we're going to talk about Rocket Lab US, and this one is bounced perfectly around our support, which is the 14, and the price went up again. We have a question on Patreon from Bronze, and yeah, we didn't cover for you for today because we forget we have a lot of requested stocks, so sorry for that. And as I promised, I will cover first your stock that we've been requested from me in the pre-market. So for this, as we said, we have a bounce here perfectly around the 1545, around the 14. Right now we have another test, and just wait for this. Yes, we have important level to overcome, which is the 1630. We have a lot of tests. We have many tests, like almost 5 tests. So right now we're gonna confirm this like upside trend, and if we have a closing candle here, would be perfect for rocket, and we'll be ready to rocket. Actually, the target will be the 1934. Yes. We'll cover OCGN, of course. Yeah, usually I don't bite my nails, this is kind of one-time thing. Yes, we're gonna cover AMC as well. Bronze is not here, so we wait for him to cover again this 2 stock that he requested from us on Patreon and pre-market. And we're gonna cover AMC, and we have Anthony, he said PTN. So yeah, we're gonna cover that, but first off, let's see OCGN for you guys. So for OCGN, okay, it's going lower and broke from the ascending line, going for our support, the other support around the 6. We tested perfectly, as we said. You see what's going on? This is crazy what's going on to OCGN. We talked about this. We talked about this massive important level. We said we need to hold here. We hold it. We hold here. We hold it. Here we hold. And guess what? The 4th time, the price gotta give, and the short seller won. And guess what? We were ready around the $6. We said the last video that we update OCGN, if we broke this level, the next target is the $6.03. And guess what happened? We bounced perfectly around the $6.03, and guess what happened again? The price went again up to test the $7. So let me just check this trade. Yeah, perfect 20% for us. So this is right now confirmed support for OCGN right now, and kind of bearish sign that we broke this ascending line that we've been holding since the 12th, I think the 16th of April 2021. So yeah, so this is the support right now, and what we want to expect for the price right now after this massive buying pressure. Let me just go in the smaller picture. Yes, we have a test and rejection around our ascending line. So right now this is confirmed resistance, and this is confirmed support. So right now we want to have the price hold above the 6 in order to get the price close again around the $7.45. So this is really important to happen pretty soon, and holding here. This is really technical level because right now is bearish for OCGN, is kind of bearish momentum right now we have after we broke this ascending line. I will be extra careful, okay, if we broke this $6 after that. Okay, so this is would be crazy momentum down until the $3, I think, or yeah, around the $3.55. So I'll be extra careful. We have to hold this last price level for OCGN in order to see the price go again around the $8. And the next one we have AMC. So what's going on with AMC? Yes, I got it. Yeah, it's kind of manipulated heavily right now. AMC is manipulated heavily, and you know why? Because look with me what's going on. We have this ascending line and was perfectly ready to explode. Like normally, if the normal stock, what we will have, at least the price go until here around the 52, then we get rejected, okay? However, right now there is a kind of manipulation happening here, okay? This is something right now happening, and there's dark movement happening behind the curtains. So right now we'll be extra careful because we have kind of shady things going on here for AMC, and the price right now we have kind of confirmed support around this ascending line that we forming. Look with me, we have the 33 confirmed, then the 34.50, and right now kind of confirmed the 36. So right now we bouncing from this ascending line, bouncing. Right now we want to confirm this ascending line in order to see the price go this time around the 48. This is what we want to see. We don't want to see the price go break here and do double bottom around the 33 and then go below around the 20. So this would be a really big bearish sign for AMC if we don't hold the 33 the next time. So right now the support is the 36, and the next target we should visit is the 48, and the best target for AMC is the 52, where we're gonna squeeze. Okay, so usually for play like AMC, what I like to have or to do is I'm not worrying about what's going on here, because this is kind of not a good trade, or not like a good hunt. You know what's the good hunt for AMC or the stock that will be squeezed? This is what we care about here. When the price squeeze, okay, we worry about this jump. Okay, this is what we could actually make money. So as well, here is just consolidation. A lot of people worrying on Reddit, talking what's going on, and they wishing the price to go to 48, 47. Come on, just see the big picture. So the big picture, if you want to squeeze, as I said, the 52 will be the trigger for the squeeze. So this is what worry about. We'll have the same scenario here. Okay, here will be the trigger, boom, we went, exploded. Here will be the trigger, boom, the price will be exploded, boom, as everybody want the 100. Okay, everybody looking for the 100 for AMC, because if we calculate it from the 52 until the 100 would be 100%. So yeah, and let me see the other stock that, okay, yes, Bronze is here. Okay, Bronze, as a promise, I just put your stock ready for you. So sorry about today. I just missed your two stock for the pre-market because we have a lot of requests and a lot of messages on Patreon. So I missed yours. Bad luck, you know. So as I promised, we're gonna cover your stock first. So Bronze, look with me. We have perfect support right now for RKLB, or Let me just put this Rocket Lab USA Incorporation. So as we said, we're still holding the 14, and we went yesterday around the 14. That's why you told me what's going on, because I think you were worried because we getting nearing the support. As we said, stick to your strategy. We bounce today, we bounce, and the price is still holding around the 1532. What you have to focus on right now, you don't have to focus here. This is kind of not the big deal, okay? The big deal is here, okay? The 1630, where we're gonna see the price go until the 19, and a lot of volatility will happen. And let me see the average volume. Yeah, the average volume around 4 million. So it's good. So we worry about the 1630 and the 14. This is the most important level, because here the price will be really bearish and go until the 1129. However, this is good because we already bought around the 14. Right now we worry about that 1630 is the price to be, because as we said, we have many tests, a lot of tests before, and get rejected. And when we get rejected, we break from the 14. This time we didn't break the 14, so we have more momentum. Hopefully this time we're gonna see the 1630, and next target for it would be the 1934. The next one, the stock that you asked me, is ZIM. So for this one, we have kind of undecision candle forming. If you look with me for our candle, and still not closed. However, we have the nobody, and we have like 2 wicks, you see. So undecision phase, because we're getting nearing the 52.75. We're already tested. So this is kind of bearish sign if we just close below the 52. That's why we have undecision phase right now. So right now let's go in a 1 hour candle. Yeah, 1 hour candle, we could see we have a bounce perfectly around our exponential average. We have kind of support. That's why we bounce and hold above the 52 right now. So if we close above the 52, this will be good in order to see another test around this area. So right now is not the 6150 to confirm that we will go up. However, this resistance will confirm everything. The 55 next time, this is kind of close resistant, okay? This is, if we just close above it, will be bullish sign, and the price will explode until the 61. This is it right now. If we don't overcome this resistance around the 55, this will confirm that the price will go lower, okay? This is really confirmed resistance. If we get rejected here, this time we can't hold the 52, and we're gonna go to the 49. So be careful from the 55, okay? Right now we confirmed a bit of support around the 52. So right now we want to confirm just a candle above here, bronze above the 55, in order to confirm that we're gonna see the price go up, okay? We don't want to see a rejection. Any rejection here, closing candle again below and go below the 52, the price will go lower. Okay, so this is kind of it, and let me just do this, because kind of we still doing higher lows here, and the price will actually bounce here if we dropped the next time. Yeah, the drop will be around this technical area. Let me just do this. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, this is kind of it, because if we got rejected and this is confirmed the resistance, the price will do this and go around this technical area to go up again to find a bit of volume around the 49 and 50. Let me see your questions. PROG. AMC, Goku, we already covered AMC. Let's go to PROG. Okay, let me see what's going on with cryptos. We have Gala. This is It's crazy. This coin is still have the momentum even after the price drop. Mana is still holding after the price drop yesterday. We have a big sell-off for crypto. However, we still have Mana, BAT, and this kind of coin is still holding after even the big drop that happened. So let's see what's going on with PROG. Okay, let me just check. So yeah, Goku, the PROG went as well. We said again, as we have this drop before, the drop here, we went perfectly and bounced from this ascending exponential average. So right now we gravitating down. However, we have always our exponential average to bounce from. So this is kind of good for PROG, even after we have the sell-off that happened, trigger around the $5. Right now we have a strong support here for PROG to confirm that we will see the price go again to see a test around the $4.42. Okay, so this will be another test for the next week, the $4.42. If we hold the $3.38, so this is kind of the bottom, should be the bottom for PROG in order to test the $4.42 and go higher. Okay, so this is really an important level to hold to confirm as we have this bounce. You see, after we bounce from this exponential average, you see how much we expanded until we get a massive rejection. So this is kind of a way of PROG to load up or charging up around our exponential average to see a load up this time. Hopefully this time we're gonna see the price go this time around the $7.37 before we went until the $6. Almost we went to our target around the $7.37. Hi Sanya. Okay, we gonna cover Baba, of course. Hi Ali. Which one? We cover a lot, Stevie. We cover, like in pre-market, almost 15 or 12 stock. Can you tell me which one that you hunt with us in pre-market so we can cover it here? My pleasure, Bronze. My pleasure. Of course, Paula, we'll cover Sensionic. No, Elite, CEI and GSAT, we're gonna cover it in a bit. Thank you, Stevie. Okay. So let's and again, guys, we have a Patreon kind of discount for Black Friday. So use your opportunity because we have the first tires open, the Elite Hunter, the first early hunter. So we have just one window today, and then we gonna close the first tire because we got a lot of questions from you guys about the first tire, and because it was sold out, so we open it again for the Black Friday, guys. So join us and use this opportunity. This time, Sndl is long hold for me, but yes, Luis. We covered OCGN, Luis, but we're gonna do it right now because it's urgent for you. And look what's going on with OCGN, Luis. We hit our target, our support target around the $6. We talked about it even in the pre-market, Luis, we said if we broke this ascending line, the perfect support is the $6 where we load up. And see what's happening, Luis. The moment that we test it, see what's going on. The market open and we have crazy candle opened. You see, we have support because this is where we said the $6.03. And the price went until the breaking point or the rejection point here when we broke the $7. So right now we have kind of confirmed the resistance around the $7 and the support is 6. Right now we have accumulation. So right now we have the price accumulate here. Okay. So what we want to see, the perfect scenario, doing higher lows and going up again to test this level of resistance. Okay, so this is kind of it for OCGN. We want to confirm that we hold this as a bottom. We don't want to see any closing candle. So anybody bought with us in Patreon when we talked about around $6.03, it was perfect hunt. However, right now we want to make this our bottom because, as I said, any price close below here will be a really bearish, and the price will go until the $3.65 around this area. Okay, so we'll be extra careful. However, in the meantime, this is perfect buying opportunity. As we predicted, the price jumped around our support, as we said, around the $6 because we don't hold the ascending line as we draw before. We said this was like important support to hold because we don't hold it. We bounce back around the $6.03. So let me just see what's going on again. Yes, Luis, as we have put it in our list and our calendar, Sunday meeting at 8 p.m. Paris time, I think this time, yeah? Just text me if it's good this time as well. Around the 9 p.m. Paris time, I think. Okay, we just wait for Stevie to bring his stocks. Yes, let's see the stock that we cover on the pre-market today for this one. Yeah, let me just check this one. Yeah, we talked about this one. Yeah, we talked about this one, BRFI, and the price kind of jumped today. Wait a second, 26. Yeah, we said the $4 is the support. We went until almost the $4.75. And guys, as I said, the price jumped again. And this is confirming that we have kind of the momentum is still there. So if you want to re-enter in the price like this after jump, enter. However, you have an exit strategy around the $4. That's why we hold, and that's why we jumped today. Almost 54%. Crazy good. So the next one we covered on the pre-market, let me just check. Okay. The next one, let me just check here. Okay. The next one is XAIR. Okay, this one as well, we cover it. And let me just check. Yeah, it's perfect as well, this one. And yes, around this area, we predicted the price. You see, the price went down a bit. Yeah, here it went down around the 24. However, today when opened the market 26, as we said, pre-market, we said the price, will be the support 13, 18, and right now we have the price go all-time high. As we said, we have the price go all above the 15 because we have double top here. And we said we're going to see all-time high. That's why we're going to see all-time high again. You see, we saw the price go around the 1560, which kind of all-time high. So this one is confirmed that we have a bottom here around the 13.18 and confirm the price is jumping up again. Okay, here let's see, boom. Okay, here guys, we talked about it actually here. Pre-market, always we do the pre-market like around the 11th, like 11 or the 12th. However, every hunter have to send the stock before that, so we can cover it in pre-market. And as you can see here, we covered the XAR and BRFI, and we cover even Dogecoin, Ethereum, PROG, OCGN. So yeah, if you want a pre-market update, guys, and analysis for your favorite stock, because we can cover everything on YouTube, you can check the Patreon, and as we said, the link in comment section. And we have Black Friday discount and reopening for the first tire. So use your opportunity right now. Black Friday is today. And boom, let me just check again what's going on with you guys. What's happening here? Okay, perfect. So let me just do this. Johnny. Stevie. VPRX is the next runner. Okay, if you say so. You bought 100k shares at $3.99 for CEO. You mean CEI? Aha, CEO bought 100k from this stock, VPRX. Wait a second, let me just check it. This was perfect. Yeah, it's holding, like we said, the $3.83, and kind of the volume is picking up, because we can see here is bar recording because the volume is dropping. Right now we have just a bit of resistance here around our exponential average, which is around the $6.70. And that's it. I think this will be a good bounce or swing trade for this one. And I don't know, Stevie, are you buying this one? Because we have a kind of target for this one. First target would be, if you want to be safe, would be around around the $6. Yeah, around the $6.60 will be good taking profit. Let me just check. Yeah, it would be almost 50% for this one. So yeah, this is one look really juicy. Thank you, Stevie, for sharing this stock with us. No, cock. Okay, I'm gonna cover CI right now. Wait a second, we have Dalton. Hello, Jesus, can you check BBIG? Of course, Dalton, we'll check it right now. And we have another request from Sanya. As you can see, guys, Sanya is one of our hunters on YouTube. So that's why she has the green badge, so I can know she's one of elite hunter on our tribe. So of course I'm gonna take her stocks first. Wait a second. Yeah, Sonia, we're gonna take Baba, of course, and we cover it, and we gonna cover CEI. before Kak will send us his fat girlfriend, and she will bother us here. So we don't want this to happen. So we're gonna cover CEI first, and we don't have to deal with his fat girlfriend. Okay, the next one is BBIG, I think. And the other thing, wait a second, let me check. Yeah, Baba. Okay, let's cover Baba for Sanya first. Wow. Okay, I'm just telling you something right now. So there's a lot of people looking for Baba. You know why? Because, come on, Alibaba is kind of, you don't have to define what they do. So they're kind of the Chinese Amazon. So for this one, it's kind of looking good opportunity to buy, because we are at a really good bottom, if you want to ask me. The $1 to 130. So this is kind of good bottom to average down. So kind of, if we really get lower for this time, I will expect it to go to 100. This is it, okay? However, right now it's still good. The 130 is still good. So right now we have kind of buying pressure. So if you want to swing trade it, there's a trick, and safe trick is any price holding above the $1.30 is safe to enter, okay? So we can actually buy right now, and you can swing trade it until the 148. This is kind of a swing trade. If you want to hold for long investment, you can buy right now, and you could buy around the 100. You have really perfect two technical level to average down on Baba, because it's really good trade. Because if we bought here, technically we can actually see 50% up, I don't know, like by the next year, beginning of the next year, okay? So this is looking really juicy to me for Baba. And the next one we have BBIG. So let me see, we have BBIG, okay. Okay. And so BBIG went to our level of support precisely. So we're still holding the $3.05. You see what's going on? We talked about it in our Patreon. We said if we get rejected around the $4.39, what will happen? Yes, you guessed it. The drawing is still there. We already talked about it. We said we gonna see the price go to $3.05 and see what's going on. We went there with the gap even, okay? We just went dive in, right in. And right now we have 3 candle holding above the $3. This is it for BBIG. This is a really great support right now. We should hold this support in order to confirm this is it or this is the bottom, okay? Because we could actually go lower. It could go lower, of course. Yeah, it could go lower until the $2.16. However, right now, if we don't have a closing candle below this support, the $3.05, this is kind of easy trade. Okay, we're gonna see a accumulation, of course, take time a bit. Then we're gonna see a retest for the $4. Okay, then we're gonna go higher. This should be the bottom. However, if we have a closing candle here, get out, because the price will be the $2.16 better price, discounted price. If you want to call it discounted price. So this would be a perfect discounted price. The next one we have CEI. And CEI still holding our level that we drew before, and actually picking up the momentum and testing the $1.38 again. As I said, we need to hold this line, which is the $1.20. We have 3 candle closing above after this gap that we and the rejection that we did around the $1.52. So right now, this is good scenario that we hold above this technical important level, the $1.20. as we said, we're still doing higher lows. You see, we're still doing higher lows. So it take time until we're gonna see the $1.84. So the most important thing right now, testing again the $1.38, holding above the $1.20 in order to see the price surging again to $1.84. This is what we care about for CEI. No problem, Dalton. My pleasure, Sonia. Cook. Yes, Elite Wave. Yes, we saw you on Patreon. Welcome to the tribe. Okay. We're gonna do a video for you tomorrow, a special for crypto, okay? Where you buy for the next dip, because we got a lot of question about Shiba, we got a question about Ethereum and Dogecoin. So we have a kind of strategy to make money for crypto. So we're gonna do a video special on Patreon for our hunters, and we build the strategy for you how to buy, where you put your buy limit to trigger the the trade while you're sleeping. You don't have to care. You just put the buy limit order, you open your phone and you see it in green. That's how we do it, because the target that we hit is not normal target. It's kind of insiders where they load up. This is the best way to buy. You know, you don't buy at the top, because when you buy at the top, what's gonna happen? You always be in red, or you be worried like the price will go up and down. However, if you want to buy a Doge or Ethereum, or you average down, we're gonna talk about it by tomorrow. We're gonna do a special video for you hunters. So let me see what's going on again for our questions. Yes, sir. Yes, we have a question from Sam. What about Tilray? Of course, we're gonna cover it. Yes, sounds good. GSAT. Okay, Wawa Smile. Really interesting name. Sam, Tilray and Tilray. Okay, we got a lot of question about Tilray. And this is kind of psychological manipulation you do. You type Tilray like 5 times and you spam the live chat in order to me to see buy a lot of stocks. So let me just see GSAT. Okay, perfect. The next one, so I won't forget it. We have okay, we have both of them, I think. Yeah, GST and this one. Okay. It's really funny, you know. Okay, this is crazy good. Okay, let me just take this off. We already covered this before, because you can look here. The drawing is still there. So for this one, we have perfect bounce right now as we speak around our exponential average and daily chart around the $1.43. And we confirmed here the bounce. Every time we bounce here, we have a lot of buying pressure happening. So this is it, and this should be the bottom. Right now, we're gonna see the price surge again, and the trigger for a spike if we overcome the $1.56, because really important kind of support after this exponential average. And this will confirm this is the bottom, okay? Because right now in the big picture, this is kind of we doing still uptrending market. However, if you go like there, you see it is downtrending. Yeah, or let me just do this in 1 hour chart. You see it like, oh, Jesus, we are downtrending. Come on, look at this gap. Of course, because you're looking in a smaller picture, because you actually, you put your face inside. You can see, you have to stay back. You just look back and stand back and see what's going on. When you stand back and just relax, you see that we have boom, we have higher lows, boom, 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 and we're still doing higher lows and the price going up. Okay, so right now we have to confirm this is the bottom and this is it. The next target will be easily tested the $1.92 for this one, and this will trigger for a massive squeeze around the $1.92. If we close a candle here, this will be another buying pressure happening. If we confirm this is the bottom, which is around the $1.40. Yeah, this is looking good actually. Okay, we'll just put it here. The next one we have Tilray. And wow, this one is crazy. This is still holding, okay? It's still holding this ascending line and still squeezing. Then one thing I don't like, which is like a rejection here around our exponential average. That's why the price went down. We kind of anticipated for the price to explode here. Let me just do this. Lastly, when we talk about Tilray, we were here, yeah? And after we have this spike, we expected the price to go up. It went up and went up, and boom, you have the rejection. The rejection around our exponential average. You see? It's clear rejection. Then the price right now went down to find support, and we found support. And we see a bit of selling pressure holding up. So right now we want to confirm that we have to hold this ascending line. If we hold it, this will confirm that we already loaded up, and this time we're gonna see a test for the 1572. This 1572 for Tilray, really crazy price, because this will change everything, because we're gonna see the 20 and beyond, and the price will go to all-time high maybe again. However, we want to hold this line and close above the 15 the next time. Simple as that. Wow, yes, Square. This is really good. You know, Noble, we have Square, we have Nvidia, we have Apple, we have many stocks on my watch list that growth stock that you have to load up on them, because they're getting down right now, and they going to like kind of a loading area. Okay, so for Square is going to loading area as well. Right now is around the 200 something, and I think is going to 100 something. So I think is getting near to the load up area. So for Square is looking interesting. Look, it's looking really interesting. We went until the 200, okay, 206. So right now we went down from this channel. You see, this channel, it was uptrending channel. We broke it. That's why we are bearish right now. However, in general trend, we have a big consolidation for Square. So right now I will be extra I'll be extra attention for the 194. This is crazy perfect support, and again we see another buying pressure happening right now. We might never visit this area if we just go over the 225 by the next week. This will confirm if we want to see the price go up again. which is changing this downtrend for Square, will happen around this area, around the 225. Because we still have a buying pressure right now. So if we have a price close up here, and perfectly will be around the 238, this will be a crazy downtrend changing momentum. Okay, this will change the momentum for Square, and will prove that this was the bottom. So this is kind of the strategy to tell us that we ready to buy and load for Square, and confirm that the price will go to all-time high to 300. However, if we go above right now and test the 225 and get rejected, I will be waiting, because I will buy around the 194, and this will be perfect for Square. Will be a really crazy buying pressure opportunity for Square. We have even Nvidia and Apple, and already put a buy limit order for them already. So I will have I just buy when the price go to my level. This is save me a lot of time and energy to think when the price go down. Crazy. Yes, Noble. Yes. Wait a second. Let me see. No, Johnny, I don't run options. We gonna see SOS, of course, a bit. Wait a second. We have a lot of requested stock. Sonia asked a lot again about Nvidia, and yeah, EDU. Okay, Sndl. So wait a second. Let me just see one of the pop-up. Okay, so TTD. I don't know if we covered this before, Sanya. Yeah, we have already question here from our hunters saying that one of our hunters bought around the 80, and it is 52-week high. It was thinking I should sell. Yeah, you see, so we have this question before. She bought around the 80 and she want to sell. So what I said, you don't sell because it's really bullish. So she want to sell around the 88 here, around the 89. So what I suggest, don't sell, because if we hold the 89, we're gonna see the price explode, and that's what we did. We went until the 113. You see, so sometimes this is a really good lesson for you guys, because we talked about in Patreon. We said always, if you want to have a profit, you could have a profit, but don't cut your winner short, because this stock I saw there's a big potential if we hold the 89. So why are you selling? So usually a lot of new trader, they cut their profit short and they let their losses run, and they average down on the losses. You see the misconception and the psychology twist the trader have. That's why a lot of traders lose money and never make money. This is crazy and a good opportunity to learn here. So as we said, this one is a runner, as we see and because we have even split 10 to 1 lately around June, and the price went crazy from there, and we went all-time high right now. As we said, the 97, we expected to go to over the 100. That's why we went. Right now, if we hold the 97 Sonia, this one is gonna go run again. So the 97 is the safest place to hold and to confirm that we still in the uptrend. And this is crazy. We do like gaps, and how much it jumped from this gap, almost 50% up. So this is kind of crazy because we have really good earnings here, good earnings every time, good earnings. Average volume is 7 million. Yeah, this look really good. Okay. I think we're gonna cover Sanya. We're gonna cover all the growth stock. We'll do special video for you hunters around the Nvidia, PayPal, Apple, all the growth stock and where you should buy. We're gonna do a special video especially for you on Patreon. Okay, so right now we just cover a lot of stocks that been requested here. ADU, let me just check ADU and what's going on. It's been going down lately. Let me just check. Aha. So you see, the moment of the truth for ADU, I'm just saying, is this line around the $2.56. We still have this rejection. You see, this is confirmed that we still not load up right around this area, because here is the squeeze area. This is it, because if we overcome this, we're gonna see a massive squeeze. Okay, and right now we have the price get rejected until the $2.47 this time. Before it was the $2.55. So right now we need to hold this ascending line and retest this level, the $2.55. This is it. Just put notification around the $2.55 because the price will jump. Okay, this area will be crazy, and holding this, we really need to hold this ascending line. Important level. If we hold it, it means the price is being squeezed. It's squeezed for ADU to go to $2.93, and the squeeze area will be the $4.94. Yeah, it need time. Yes, good question about PayPal going below the support. Yeah. For PayPal, it went really crazy down. Yeah, I can see. We have really strong support around the 176 for PayPal, and this should be the bottom right now for PayPal, because this is not normal, because we went almost 40% down, and I can't see PayPal to go like until the other support, which is 60% down until the 122. Okay, this is the last support for PayPal. However, I can see the bottom right now around the $1.76 because right now we see a bit of holding up happening. You see a bit of holding up for selling pressure, and because we getting near the $1.76. Okay, Sndl, yeah, we're gonna cover Sndl in a bit. Let me just see what's going on with Sndl. Oh wow, oh boy, what's going on with Sndl? Yeah, it's been testing our ascending line like crazy. Right now it's been testing what we actually drew from the last video. So yeah, for Sndl as well, this is a really technical level. As we said, after this bounce that had happened around the 0.93, which was predicted because it was resistant, what we said, we need to hold above this support, but we didn't hold it. Usually, when the stock have potential to go up after a massive rejection, because the stock has been downtrending a lot, and a lot of people just want to break even or get out with less loss. That's why it's been triggered with, guess what, short sellers. So yeah, even if there's good news, the price would go down because a lot of people taking profits, selling pressure, put options, you name it. So if we have potential for newcomer, new investor to come in, the last support supposed to be around the 0.71, like what happened to which stock that sparked after the price went down. There's many stocks have the same scenario. Anyway, for this 70s one, we didn't hold. Right now we have other support right now holding, so we should hold this level, guys, because if we don't, we're gonna see the price going even lower, and mean the price will go like around the 0.60 this time, and see a bit of support here around the double. We're gonna do double support around the last bottom that we did around the 6th of October. So we don't want to see that, because this is crazy price movement that will happen for Sndl, because we didn't see any buying pressure happen around this 0.71. Right now we just have the last support and we still holding it. We see buying pressure happening right now. 1, 2, 3. So 3 candle before the market closed, because this is kind of interesting discounted price for Sndl. That's why we see a newcomer coming in, but it's not enough because we're still near. We want to see a big wick with the candle like around the support to confirm that we have a big buying pressure happening. However, yeah, I would expect the price to go by Monday at least to have like a reaction for this price drop around the support. And we're gonna see a test for this level of resistance, which is the 0.6859. This will be tested pretty soon for Sndl. Okay, we have no problem, Sonia. Okay, what we have, and just to make sure, you can re-watch the live streaming after the live streaming will be ending. Okay, so if you didn't see, or you didn't see like a stock that I cover, because we already covered it in the beginning of the video, you could just re-watch the video or the live streaming after it's finished. You can find it on my channel. Okay. Oh, Kiwi, how are you doing? Doing great, my brother. How's Black Friday with you? Did you buy anything? Okay, test. Let me check. Okay. Okay. So for Shiba, we're still holding above the support. As we said on Bybit, we bought around this technical area. The price bounced here because we're around this technical area, the support. Right now we've been squeezed in this price technical level. We do some kind of triangle. So we're gonna see a price test pretty soon for Shiba. As we said here on Bybit. So right now, let me just check here on the for Shiba. Yes. So yeah, for Shiba. So yeah, the price is been squeezed up and ready to go up again if we hold this ascending line. So this is kind of a good scenario to go up again, and because we got rejected around the 0.44, because this is what's the support right now is the resistance, and I expect the price to be tested here around the 0.4040. This will be the turning point. If we got rejected here, we'll confirm that we still in bearish momentum here, okay? Because right now we going toward this area. We going toward the 0.4040 and confirm that we have either a selling pressure will happen and confirm that the short seller in control and still in control, and squeeze or a retest for the 0.44, and if we close here, this will be the change in momentum for Shiba. Wait a second, let me just do this. And again, as I said, we have a pre-market, not pre-market, but Black Friday kind of discount for you guys. So let me just share the link here for our Patreon. And today is Black Friday, so just join if you want the first tire, because it's been sold out. And right now I just reopened the first tire for the LA Hunter. So this is your key or your signal to hunt for this tire before we'll be closed, because it's just one day for Black Friday. Use your opportunity and join to Hunter Tribe. We almost 100 hunters by now. We are already 92 Patreon. So come on guys, we just missing 8 hunters to load up on the 100 Patreon, and we have something special to do when we reach the 100 Patreon. Okay, we gonna do something special, which is we're gonna make one-on-one meeting for one lucky hunters. Okay, we're gonna discuss your portfolio, and we can discuss anything you want, and we can discuss strategy building, and this will be a gift for one of the hunters, because we're gonna draw from the 100 hunters that will already be with us in the beginning of the 100 Patreon. Okay, so the link is here on the live chat, so you can join. Enola, we just checked Shiba. Hopefully that was informative. We have a question regarding Tesla. And Tesla, what's going on with Tesla? We covered on the Patreon as well. Okay, look what's going on. Perfect. As we said it, the drawing is the same as we talked about it in the pre-market on Patreon. And what we said we have kind of triangle forming for Tesla, which is, this is the resistance, and you see we got bounce from it, rejected, and here again around the 1192, and the price went down. So what's the projection of the price? The price will go here, okay, again around the 1000, around the 1017, and we're gonna see a bounce here. This is because we are already inside this triangle that's been forming. So this is kind of psychology that will happen. Perfect. The price will go down again around this triangle, boom, bounce, and this will confirm the squeeze around the 1145 next time, and we're gonna see all-time high again. This will be perfect for Tesla. And again, we don't want to see a breaking for this triangle from here, because this time we're gonna see the price go here around the 900. This would be the perfect buying opportunity if we don't hold this triangle. This is perfect. Thank you for reminding me about Tesla, because we already covered it and we have the psychology and we're ready to hunt Tesla. Okay. No problem. Sanya, how many stocks that you trading, Sanya? You already asked me like 7 stocks, so I will cover this for you as well. But I'm intriguing, how many stocks you actively trading? Because last meeting I have one with my hunter, he have at least 50 stocks. Imagine 50 stocks he traded on. Like he bought 1,000 here, 5,000 there, 10,000, and when see at the portfolio, it's like, what's going on? Like, how you deal with this? It's like you have 50 babies. You know, imagine if you have 50 babies and you try to manage them. You change the diaper for that. You put the other one for school. The other one is like will be gone and like, I don't know, doing drugs or any. But you know, there's always bad kid. You know, he will be like going anywhere, make trouble. And imagine you have 50. This is crazy. Anyway, so we have to cover ACM. Yeah, I figured that out without telling me. Anyway, so let me just check for you, Sanya, what's going on with this stock. Okay, this look nice. Okay, Sanya, with one glance, this one will be perfect to buy. Because we're going toward it around the 70. Okay, we hit the all-time high around the 75. The price gotta give and find a bit of support. In the fundamental, this one's looking good. We have good earnings every time. The revenue was not good lately, and yeah, the revenue is not good. However, the earning was good, so the revenue was not good lately. However, we have kind of support should be holding around the 70. If we confirm this bounce, Sanya, this would be a really nice entry here. To do the to see the price go even around the 80, okay, and continue this uptrending behavior. This would be perfect hunting opportunity if we just hold this technical area around the 70. Wait a second, let me just check something. Yes, Kiwi. Yes, yes. Welcome to the Hunter Tribe. Hi, Nicole. You're a bit late today. Yo guys, don't forget to hit the like button. We're already 30 and we have 20 likes. This doesn't add up. The math is not good, you know, so we have to balance this out, you know. So try to hit the like button. If you could put 2 likes, Just put it. I think there is a new feature on YouTube. You can actually put 2 likes or 3 likes at once, you know. I think there is a way. You could go on your cell phone, you like, and you go on your laptop and you open another account and you like from there. Then you open a tablet and you put like from there, you know. So each one of you can put 5 likes or 4 likes. I think this is a wise thing. You're really wise. You just listen and you learn, because the more you listen, the more you learn. When you talk, you never learn. Okay. Right now I'm not learning. But for Nicole right now, she's absorbing. She's taking all the information to hunt and to perfect her strategy. Okay. Okay, regarding the stocks that we didn't cover here, and hopefully we're gonna cover it the next time. And again, as I said, we're gonna do a Bitcoin hunt for our Patreon, and we're gonna do another stock review, like a growth stock like Apple and Nvidia, Baba, and a lot of stocks, growth stocks that's a really good price to buy at, and you put just buy limit order and just let it go. We're gonna do a video again as well in Patreon, so wait for that in the weekend. Hopefully you have a really nice Black Friday and you bought yourself and your family good things, and see you in the next video and the live streaming as usual, 8 p.m. Paris time, either on Thursday or Friday. So stay safe and see you in the next update. And don't forget to join to Patreon, because we have a discount in Black Friday just for today. See you, and hopefully have a nice weekend.